Hello everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Oh wow, this is just a simply gorgeous apartment in Houston. It's a perfect Houston high-rise, isn't it? It's the Arrive Upper Kirby. Look at these curved windows, look at these views, and look at that balcony that's out there. All this balcony space for you. It actually has 2 balconies. It's just simply a gorgeous Houston apartment, and it's just got the perfect look and feel inside too. Modern, light, bright, beautiful floors, beautiful everything. So much seating in here, so much space to put all the furniture you need. So much everything really in here. It's just stunning. You've got a great space to entertain over here, and then you've got all the kitchen and appliances you need to prepare food, to entertain, and just to take care of yourself too. Beautiful, beautiful look and feel. I love these open shelves. This is just gorgeous. Very, very nice. And just so much fun in here. So it's light, it's bright. Why not check out the Arrive Upper Kirby? Hey, my number's below. If you'd like to do a virtual tour, even right now, it doesn't matter if you're in Boston, LA, New York, London, France, Paris, doesn't matter. Let's do a virtual live tour. You don't have to come in person, and we'll set that up even today so that you can see some apartments that are here at the Arrive Upper Kirby. Send me a text right now, and we'll make that happen. It's always free.